Hi friends, in this video, I am going to show you how to print reverse of a number in Python. Very simple program. Output look like this. Let's code now. Initially, take the input from the user as shown here. Then, declare reverse equals 0. Then perform the while loop as shown here. I will show you how the loop works with an example. Suppose input number is 236. It gets stored in num variable. Num equals 236. Here, check condition of while loop. Evaluates to be true. Then program flow goes inside the loop. Finally, print the value of reverse using print statement. Run the code.